Good morning, students. I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Dear student, use this time in study and keep yourself safe and healthy. So, I am here with new lesson today. That will be studying the earth. Studying the earth means how and by which way we can study the earth and which types of things are used by us in studying the map. So, my dear student, let's start today's class. Human always being curious to find new places and people. We are human being and we are very curious about new people and new place. They traveled far across the sea and oceans to discover new lands. Yes, student, as you know, we are moving towards the Mars to settle there, and in the same way the curiosity of the people is too much high. That's why the people wants to find out new place and new people. Many voyagers never returned as they did not have accurate route maps. Yes, student, because of not having maps with them, they missed their path and they never returned back. So, first of all, we will discuss about the maps. So, the key and the thing by which we can get, we can find out the direction and the path if we are on travel or on voyage. So, first of all, we will discuss about the map. Yes, student, map is the way by which we can get the exact direction and location of any place. By using map, our journey, our voyage will be happier and safer. So, maps, what are maps? Maps are used in our daily life too, but we never recognize their importance. Yes, student, in our daily life we use maps, but we don't have any idea regarding their importance. How important is map? Maps provide various kinds of information like direction, routes, relative distances, etc. Yes, student, what are the uses of map? The uses of maps are maps provide us various kinds of information like direction, routes, relative distances, etc. So, these are the uses of map, and people who make maps are called cartographers. People who make map for us are called cartographers, and the art of making map is called cartography. It is art of making map. It is called cartography. Cartography. What is cartography? Art of making map is called cartography, and the person who make maps for us are called cartographers. One of the first famous cartographer, yes student, the first famous cartographer was Gerhard Mercator. Gerhard Mercator from Germany. He was the first famous cartographer of the world, and it's all about the map. Now we will discuss about types of map. Dear student, according to our need, we are using different types of map in our daily life. For different purposes, different maps are there for our easy in study. So let's start. Types of maps. First of all, first one is physical map. What is physical map? Dear student, physical map in which we show Earth's natural feature like mountains, forests, rivers. So the map in which we locate mountains, river, plateau, desert and different types of natural feature, such types of maps are called physical map. And next is political map. What is political map? Dear student, political map is related with the boundary of the country, the state, the district, the village and so on. So political maps, division of countries, states, political boundaries, names of cities and capitals are shown in political map. It is related with the boundary of different country, state and political boundaries, names of states and capitals are there. And next one is resource map. Resource map means the things which we find by digging the earth. Natural resources found in a region, specific economic activities of a different region. Yes student, resource map, when we how why we draw a resource map? For natural resources found in a region. Natural resource means that are gifted by nature are called natural resources. So that are found in a region, a specific economic activity of a different region. Yes student, different regions are there on the earth where different types of economic activities is going on in different regions. So regarding and related with these things, the map we draw is called resource map. And next one is climate map. You can understand by name. Climate map means climatic condition in area, climatic condition in areas, distribution of rainfall and climatic condition in area. So it is the climatic maps. And next is transportation map. Dear student, transportation map means related with transport. And what is transport? That means by which we and our belongings move from one place to another place is called transport. So related with transport, show roads, railway line and air routes by which we travel from one place to another place, show airports, railway junctions, etc. So all these things are shown in transportation map. Next one is spatial map. Yes student, spatial map, or you can say the purposeful map. For drawing such types of map there is a certain purpose or certain aim. Vegetation, drainage, coastlines, roads and bridges, in urban areas. Such types of maps are called spatial maps. And next one is topographical maps. What are topographical maps? Shapes and elevation of an area. In topographical maps we show Shapes and elevation of an area. It is related with an area that is shown in a map is called the topographical maps. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class, and in next class we will discuss about how to read a map, direction, distance, designation, advantages of map, disadvantages of map, and earlier invention and exploration. So we will meet in next class, and here I am concluding my today's class. Dear student, do comment in comment box. Ask the other student, your friend, to subscribe the channel for getting all the videos related with subject, and do comment in comment box for your attendance by writing your name, class and section. So enjoy your day and have a nice day.